Well, welcome back to my final daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Tuesday, 15th of October, looking at gold, which, to be honest, is in a bit of a holding pattern at the moment. It had looked last week as though when the China-US negotiations were going on, you had a couple of bear candles where the market sold off gold. You saw risk appetite really improving, and then subsequently gold suffering on the back of that. But it seems as though in the wake of those negotiations, the market's basically held its ground. It didn't close below 1481. Only a very small negative candle in the end on Friday, positive candle yesterday, holding ground today. It's pretty much with a minor negative bias, only due to the fact that you've got the momentum indicators just edging below their neutral points. 47 on RSI, MACD a shade below neutral, stochastics a shade below neutral. But to be honest, it's nothing that you'd really say with any conviction whatsoever, given the fact that the support, again, sort of 1481, starting to sort of build again. Again, another dip towards that is bought into. So it's effectively towards the bottom end of this range, which I mean, again, sort of taking increasingly as the point that I think this is a range, and we need to play it as a range until you get a decisive close below 1458, for example. Because at the moment, you're not really getting that negative traction. Yeah, you've got this sort of minor run of lower highs, but essentially the market is still in this consolidation. Look at the hourly momentum, 30 and 70, broadly between 30 and 70. Yeah, the sort of rallies have faltered at 60 recently, but again, nothing really negative to the downside. So this is a holding pattern I think we've got on gold at the moment, and we are once more sort of waiting for the next real catalyst. You haven't really seen it yet, and you've got, I think, the market that is still sort of looking for the next real moving point, but again, it's in a holding pattern. So for now, I think gold is fairly neutrally configured, but with a very minor negative bias. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, and also go to our website where you can sign up for our webinars.